father-daughter and a stepmother's relationship and how beautifully it was going on. It's challenging जब आप अपनी एज से 10 साल छोटी लड़की का रोल प्ले करो. So go to parties, decorate myself and show up for people doesn't really give me any happiness. But I believe being an actor is very important for you to secure yourself with something, that business you should have. So Guild 3 itself, the name itself tells it all कि guild के बारे में ये है. It is about a father-daughter and a stepmother's relationship and how beautifully it was going on until there is this huge track comes in where everything just vanishes. So of course I don't want you to know everything from my mouth. I want you guys to watch it and then let me know how do you like it. So it is always challenging जब आप अपनी एज से 10 साल छोटी लड़की का रोल प्ले करो. So that was very exciting for me. So I was really keen on doing something like that and luckily now you guys will judge it and let me know whether I could do the justice or not. See, I am just doing what I like. I am just doing what I love and there is no specific thing in my mind that I want to channelize my profile that way or this way. Whatever comes in naturally, I'm just doing it and I'm enjoying every bit of it. So yeah, that's how I feel. Because I feel happy being in my own zone. मुझे अच्छा लगता है अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना. मुझे अच्छा लगता है अपने काम पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देना. क्रिएटिवली when I'm indulging myself or engaging myself, मुझे वो ज़्यादा खुशी देती है than to go to parties, decorate myself and show up for people doesn't really give me any happiness. So I am just doing what gives me happiness and I'm living for myself, not for the world. So why should I be present everywhere? Yes, I definitely go out. I meet my very selective friends, which makes me happy. पर हर जगह मुझे ऐसा लगता है that जहाँ मुझे खुशी मिलेगी मैं वहीं जाऊँगी ना, क्यों हर जगह जाके अपना. So I have developed a concept and from my production house, I am doing a film which will be out soon and I will talk about it very soon, but not now. So from my production house, mainly I started making music. I started making songs. Black Heart was my first song and then I made 10 to 15 songs and now 3 more songs are going on, which is in pre-production. Once they're out, I will definitely share with you guys. No, I believe whatever gives me happiness, I'm just doing that. There is no specific, mindset कि मैं इसकी वजह से करी उसकी. But I believe being an actor, it is very important for you to secure yourself with something, that business you should have. So when these things are my hobbies and I can convert it into my business, why not? So this is what I'm doing. Thank you so much for being there and thank you so much for always supporting. Keep supporting, keep loving. I love you guys.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.